I gave her everything she wanted. Now tell me, what is it she wanted?
It wasn't my fault. I thought I would never see you again.
I found a woman that makes my soul at peace.
I will be with you physically and in spirit.
Your father warned me never to step my feet into his compound.
Even if the world turns its back on me, I'll be with you too.
To get married, why did you have to put that through short shape?
How I want it to be done is drink cow, have fun, get high, and then go to church and put the ring on the damn finger and I take my wife home.
That is it.
They always tell me that I will never marry their only daughter.
What we have is strong enough to make us come out victorious.
I know it's not easy getting over this. Despite your pretense, you must have gotten over it.
I gave her all the love. I was patient. What happened?
Oga, none of these women want my heart.
There is this particular guy I always see with you, woman.
Please do not give up on me.
I don't want to. I don't want to. I really want to be with you the whole time, but I can't go against my foundation.
Why are you making life so difficult for me? Why? After everything we did for you, you decided to rub our face with shame.
The man you claim will ruin my future is the man who will make my future.
Now listen and listen good. This will be the last time it will ever happen in this house.
Nothing but a disgrace to this family. I am so disappointed. Get out! I said you should leave here! Get out!
I'm telling you that this is my wife to be and you're telling me to respect myself.
Might may be poor, but I have feelings for you.
Yeah! Are you not ashamed of yourself, like I am asking you? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love?